In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete all Instagram reposts at once. So if your profile is full of reposted videos or photos and you want to remove them, just follow these steps. Now, the first thing you want to do is open the Instagram app and go to your profile page. Now, once you're on your profile, tap on the section where you can see all your reposted content. Now, to start deleting them, tap on the 3 lines in the top right corner to open Settings. Now, from Settings, go to Your Activity, and once you're on this page, look for the option called Reposts and tap on it. Now here, you'll see all your reposted videos and photos in one place. Now to delete them, tap on Select, and this part is important. Instagram does not have a Select All option, so you'll need to manually select each repost one by one. Now once you've selected all the reposts you want to remove, just tap on Delete, and then confirm by tapping Delete again. Now after confirming, all your selected reposts will be removed from your Instagram profile. And that's it. That's how you delete all Instagram reposts. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.